To download and install the HP OfficeJet 202 mobile printer driver on Windows, please follow these steps. Open Google Chrome, enter HP OfficeJet 202 mobile printer in the search bar and select the appropriate option. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu and click on Download to download the driver installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it to run the installation wizard. Follow the prompts of the wizard to complete the installation process. When prompted, connect your HP OfficeJet 202 mobile printer to your computer using a USB cable and switch it on. Your computer should automatically detect the printer and install the necessary drivers. That's it, and ready to use on your Windows computer.